Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by ensuring everyone runs the same game build and region. Mismatched builds block joins. Next, open the custom match creation screen and pick a basic template so settings load fast. Invite your group from the friends list or use the temporary lobby code feature, then immediately switch privacy to private to prevent random joiners. Once done, lock the lobby slots you'll use and assign host roles if the game allows it. These steps reduce connection errors and streamline the next configuration phase. Now configure the detailed match rules. Set time or round limits, score targets, map rotation, and respawn behavior so gameplay matches your intent. Then allocate player slots and lock teams or enable auto-balance. Make sure to grant admin or kick permissions to trusted players to manage abuse. If the game supports presets or quick save of configs, save this setup to avoid repeating steps later. Once these settings are in place, test with one substitute player to confirm the rules apply as expected before full start. Start the match and watch closely during the first 60 seconds for join drops or high ping, because most issues surface immediately. If someone cannot join, instruct them to restart the game client, toggle network settings, or accept a direct manual invite. Sometimes switching host or reassigning host privileges resolves stubborn join failures. Make sure to screenshot or export the match settings and share them with participants so you can quickly recreate the match later. One key tip: if problems persist, swap the host.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.